I'm gonna show you how easy it is to tie a necktie. I thought this was the hardest thing in the world. But what you want to do is take your necktie. You want the fat end twice as long as the short end. So I'm gonna take the fat end in my right hand and I want to wrap it around on top. Make sure it's straight. Then you want to take it under and wrap it around one more time. Make sure it's straight. And then what you want to do is take the fat end and you want to take it under. And you want to grab your other hand and open that up. I'm going to bend down a little bit so you can see it and just slide it through. It's that simple. Then you want to take that fat end, make sure everything's straight, just pull it, get all the wrinkles out. And then you take the skinny end and you pull it and make it snug on your neck. And that's it. That's really it. And just make sure everything's straight. You want to just make sure all the wrinkles are out, as you can see what I'm doing right there. And then you take that skinny end and put it in this keeper right here. And you slide it down. Make sure all the wrinkles are out. Throw on you some jeans. And then when you finish getting all the wrinkles out, just bring that collar back down and then touch it up a little bit more. And you're ready to go. And you know, I'm a country boy here in Texas. You know, you got your tie and your blue jeans or your black jeans or whatever, your slacks, and you're ready to go. So now I'm gonna give you a close-up look. And I haven't sped this video up or anything. This is actual speed. First, you want to take the tie, like I said, and I'm gonna use the long end, or the fat end is gonna be in my right hand. That's the short one, and you want the fat end is twice as long as the short one. So you want to take the fat end over the top. That's one time. You see how I'm holding that? And you want to wrap it around and bring it over one more time. And this is about the second time I have ever did this in my whole life. Once everything's straight, take that fat end and take it under the bottom and take your other hand and just open that up so you can just slide that fat end right through there, as you can see. And I'm gonna pull it. Make sure everything's straight. Keep pulling it. That's the fat end. Make sure all the wrinkles are out. Take that skinny end and slide it up to your neck. Straighten everything up. And I thought this was the hardest thing in the world to do, but it is so simple. Once you get everything like you want it, just bring that collar down, get all the wrinkles out, throw on your jeans, slacks, whatever you want, or you can get your wife or whatever and just straighten this out for you. Make sure it's straight. She may want to put a little gold pin on for you. And you want to take that skinny end and put it in this keeper. Get all the lint out, snug it up to your neck, straighten it up. Let me zoom in a little bit, let you look at it. You see that? It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Straighten it out some more. Make sure no wrinkles. And like I said, this is actual speed. I didn't slow this down. I didn't speed it up or anything. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so you can see the whole thing. And some ties are shorter or longer. It depends on how you want it. And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.